Right now, I want to introduce you not only again to Peter Shannon, but Joan Pierce, who is president of the 100 Club here in Savannah. Thanks so much for joining us, Joan.
My pleasure.
It's so great to have you here on the Southern Scene. So let's talk about the 100 Club. Tell us a little bit about the 100 Club for some of our viewers who may not be familiar with.
The mission of the 100 is to serve the children in our service area through advocacy, education, and financial support of the Children's Hospital at Memorial University Health Center. And we have a major fundraiser coming up for that, the Bear Gala. We also help with Reach Out and Read, which is a national program that is conducted by the child life specialists here at the hospital to have reading enrichment programs for inpatient and outpatient children coming to the hospital. And we also have a program called Baby Bundles, which is a packet of essentials for newborns.
So tell me about your connection and how the two of you came together on this project.
Without money, a lot of these projects can't be funded, and that's the wonderful thing that people like Joan do. For me, putting together my idea of trying to bring to fruition a kids' opera of the Magic Flute, we're basically bringing in about 6 or 8 singers. We have them all costumed up thanks to the 100 Club and Joan's support. I'm sitting in front of this backdrop, which has been created by the artist June Stratton. Everybody's given their service free of charge. We think it's a fantastic idea, but it would only have come to fruition with the financial support of some institution. We've also had this idea of a colouring book, which has been designed by Phyllis Tildes.
When the children see the Magic Flute, the children will then receive this coloring book. And the illustrations are just absolutely wonderful.
What a wonderful thing to bring a smile and just that form of entertainment and just taking them a little bit away from what's actually going on and as they go through their medical processes and their healing.
The worst thing for me is a sick child. So rather than kind of just stay away from it, we wanted to get involved. Imagery has actually been proven to be quite important. So in these colouring books, if you don't mind, I'll just take that. They are going to be dressed exactly like this, and you can see this is a kind of homage to nurses.
Yes.
So the ones that get to kill the snake, they actually get to kill him. I don't know if you can see that. It's an IV pole.
Now, we're not talking about just one performance here, too.
No.
Explain that to our viewers. I mean, this is something that's going to be ongoing.
There are children that are sick this month who hopefully will not be sick next month. They may well be sick next month and sick the month after that, but we want to have an ongoing contact with Memorial Hospital. We want to make sure that we access as many children as possible. So really, the more we do of this, I think the better the healing process can be.
And Joan, I'd like to hear from you why it's so important for the 100 Club to be a part of something like this as it launches.
It just seems like a natural fit. We feel very strongly that the children who are in the hospital need all of the healing possibilities, and this is another way to promote healing.
Do you see programs like this making a difference in the lives of children as they're going through these illnesses?
Oh yes, this is enriching. This is something that is just allows a child to escape from whatever the day-to-day issues are and their difficulties, and just fill their heads with something that's going to be colorful and sound beautiful, and also just be uplifting.
We want to thank you, Peter, for joining us on the Southern Scene, and
My
Joan,
pleasure.
all the fabulous work that the 100 Club does as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you'd like more information on the Savannah Philharmonic and their outreach programs and all about the Magic Flute, all you have to do is call the number you see on the screen, or you can check out their website as well. You'll find out all the information you'd need to know. You can also check out their schedule as well. Also, you can send us a message here on our Facebook page, The Southern Scene, or go to our website, WSAV.com. Just click on the Southern Scene page. We will make sure we put you in contact with the Savannah Philharmonic.